Here's interesting app called ChatOn, AI chatbot assistant, powered by ChatGPT and GPT-4. So let's just install it and see how it works. Of course, right now there is also official ChatGPT app, which is released and which is free to use unless you upgrade to the Plus there. But before official ChatGPT app was released, there were like dozens of third-party apps like this. But some people still prefer to use apps like that, either because of design or either because they already started to use it and they just want to continue, or some other reasons. So here you can just continue. So here in this app, you can also use your camera to get answers. And then there is pro access. So yearly access is just $40 per year. So it's not like $20 per month. So yeah, you can enable free trial and check it out. There is free trial on $7 per week offer or yearly access. $7 per week doesn't make a lot of sense if you plan to use this app a lot, to be honest. Then you just use official ChatGPT app. But $40 per year can make sense because here, yeah, it's not that expensive, and then still you have some additional app. And then, yeah, here you can just see different categories of chats. You can create and get, like, use it for social, use it for creativity, for studying. And then you can just see an examples of how it works. And then, then you can just see. And then you can just see typing. So it's a bit slow, as you can see, so it just keeps typing. Then you can just, I don't know, tap and hold, and then you copy. You can share or you can listen to the response. Tell me a joke, you can send messages. You can scan things. You can, like, I don't know, open a camera. So here's like a pencil, and then you can just do text recognition. But of course, this is just like a text recognition. It's not like it's not yet that you can take a photo and do some advanced things. But if you have some quick essay or some blog post, or you know, like doing homework, just want to quickly summarize this, you can easily do that. Then also you can just try summary. And yeah, haptic feedback, you can enable, disable it, all these vibrations. Then tasks, tell me the main idea of a book. And that can be super helpful. Like, you know, I think this is one of the most helpful features here with these AI tools, is that, for example, you have a huge homework assignment, you have a book like 300 pages, and I guess already now you can quite quickly summarize a lot of text like that, or you just have some essay like 30 pages of text. Probably you can just, you know, use some of these AI tools, either take photos or get PDF, and then it will actually create a really good summary for you. It's not some, you know, some like very weird unconnected summary, but you can summarize a lot of text and save more time for you. You can use also like all these categories like role play, dating guide, like education, and then you can see your history. Then I don't know if you can, if I tap and hold, how to delete messages here. This part I don't know. And then, yeah, so that's the idea. Again, if you want to upgrade, you just proceed through here. But this app is one of the, you know, top apps which are not non-official ChatGPT apps. It provides you quite a lot of features which you can try, and a lot of you know, different scenarios, a lot of different categories and tips, and it's quite nice design. It's by default, it's in a dark mode. I don't know how to enable light mode. You can always reach out to them. here in their app. Yeah, if you want to cancel a subscription, you need to do it through the settings app, through your iCloud, through your subscriptions. That's how you cancel your subscriptions from here. So yeah, that's what you can do. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Hope that is helpful. That's the app. I don't know what else to add here. Try it out. If it's available on Android, I have no idea. So let's check it out. So if I just go to Android, Google Play Store. So yeah, you see it's available on Android. ChatOn AI chatbot assistant from IB Inc. So yeah, should be available here. By the way, there are a bunch of other apps, Ask AI, AI chatbot, Nova, Genie. These were all the apps before official ChatGPT app was released. Now probably they will slowly go away, but some people already started to use them and they don't want to switch to ChatGPT, and some people like the design. And ChatGPT app is also quite minimalistic. Some people prefer other types of design. So maybe you can use ChatGPT, which is free, but then you can still select one of those apps. It can be ChatOn, it can be some other app which you actually like as well. And then you can just try to use it as well. And if you like to use it more, then try to use it as well. So there you have it.